Hey guys, Bingo here, and we got a new phone today, which arrived a few days ago, but I was working and it's my day off, so let's open this OnePlus 13, the newest flagship phone from OnePlus. I can't believe they're on the 13 now. I feel like it was just yesterday when they had their very first new brand or something that's gonna take down be one of the best affordable flagship killers, and now they have a flagship itself. But yeah, it comes in this nice red box with a 13 lucky number there, and it says OnePlus Cross Hasselblad, which is the Swedish manufacturer of high-end cameras. Not sure if that actually does they actually do anything with the photo quality or sensor. And this is the 16 gigs by half terabyte version, the highest spec. I'm not sure if there's a 1 terabyte. I don't think so, but I don't know. Go check it out. Google it or somewhere. And I got this from the Philippines because I don't trust the seller here in Australia. There's a shady website here that's just as oneplusmobile.com.au or something. And yeah, I mean, I've read from Reddit some people got theirs, but I don't know. Much, you know, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. No, a Snapdragon 8 Elite. Okay, that's the latest. Same with the Samsung S25 Ultra. So it's definitely a flagship phone. So let's open this box. Quite excited for this. And yeah, this is actually sort of a re-unboxing because they opened this in the store. Like a weird thing in the Philippines is that we have to open devices that we buy in store, but kind of kills the unboxing experience. But anyway, never settle. I think that's a good mantra in life. We got this nice quality USB-C to USB-A cable. I think it's rated at 100 watts of charging. Looks like white and red. And it says 12 amperes at 12A in there. We got a quick guide for SIM. It's pretty much straightforward. Still, maybe for legal reasons, they have to put it in. SIM ejector tray, SIM ejector thingy. Safety guide. Okay, this is probably quite important. English and other languages. And this one is empty. Okay, put it all to the side. Let's have a nice look at the phone. Oh, they put the price in here. 59,990 pesos, or about 1,700 Australian dollars, or 1,000 US dollars, I think. And that's it. Can't take this off. They got the mold there for the camera. Oh, they even wrapped it back. Okay. So yeah, it's mobile phone there. OnePlus. Oh, kind of carefully took it out, and voila. We got this Arctic Dawn Hasselblad. I wonder if it's turned on. No. It's feels light, I would say, for its size. I used to have an S22 Ultra. Like it was this big, and That was really heavy. I mean, not really heavy, like, but compared to this one's really light. And let's have a look at this. I think this is glass texture on the. Let me remove that. On this, that is actually nice texture, but I'm not a big fan of the white. I'm gonna put a skin over this. Got some Hasselblad logo with the cameras. There's a bump. Let's try to boot it up. I'm pretty sure they didn't set this up. They shouldn't be. Alright, leave that there. I'm gonna get my other phones. Just have a quick comparison. So, this is my very first, like, no, not really very first phone, but like, okay, I would say first phone that I bought here in Australia. Bought it in AliExpress from China. Poco X3 Pro, which is like this is the mid phone, mid tier. That's sort of like tries to be like a flagship killer, and here they're quite similar in size. Yeah, they're very similar, but uh, this one is relatively heavier. I can feel it, like, just like that. Oh, they actually set it up? Really? So, let me check. Whose account did they put in? Oh, okay. So they set it up without the Google Play account or anything. Excuse me. Okay. I would say that, let's try the while using the app. What's this? Exclusive Hasselblad watermark? No. Okay. That's pretty cool. It feels like a vanilla Android experience. Really. Even though this is Oxygen OS. But it feels like, because I've been using a Pixel 9 Pro. The experience is so similar, like all the stuff in there. Yeah. I mean, it's nice. It's nice and all. And yeah, let's have a quick comparison. This is the Pixel 9 Pro. Pixel 9 Pro is actually much more thicker, as you can see. They have this similar back. I think it's glass. And then, I don't think this has anything titanium or anything. But with size-wise, this is much bigger. But not that much bigger or anything. But yeah, it is a bigger phone. That's why I wanted this, because I like this, like carrying it around. This is my daily phone, but this is going to be my gaming phone and my multimedia phone, just to watch things and play games, because I still need a bigger screen. And I think there's a screen protector built in, which is, I did not know that. I thought I ordered one from Amazon, but anyway, it does have like curved screen, so yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll have to use this for quite some time, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. But yeah, anyway, that's the OnePlus 13 Arctic White, and I'll see you guys soon.